you're a student in Nigeria and you are passionate about knowing how to make money online, then watch this video to the end, because what I'm about to show to you today is a very big secret that has been hidden from the reach of students, and as such you are being misled. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Basi Ejubajon. I'm a medical student in the University of Calabar, and in my channel I talk about education and entertainment in Nigeria and all over the world. That means if you love any of my content, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue getting updates anytime I upload a video like this, and so that you can also help me grow. And in today's video we are going to unravel the secret, the dark secret that has been hidden from the reach of students. And as such, a lot of students are being frustrated by going online to search for how to make money online every day, spending their data on how to make money online without actually making the money. And I'm going to use myself as a practical proof on how I made almost 30,000 naira online as a student in my second semester in medical college. Watch this video to the end and don't forget to share. And how to make money online as a Nigerian student. As a Nigerian student, we know we all need money, and as such we are being forced to devise ways in which we can make money. We know that the physical labor, our studies, our academics won't allow us to mix studies with physical labor, and we need something that even with our smartphone we can make money online. And I'm just going to list some ways in which you can use to make money online. Number one, you can make money online through freelancing. What is freelancing? Freelancing is the art in which you write for companies, you write for website owners, you write for high institutions, and you get paid. Freelancing is a very profitable and a promising work for every academic student in Nigeria who is actually interested in how to make money online. There are a lot of sites that offer freelancing opportunities. We have Fiverr, we have Upwork, you have even Facebook. You can use Facebook for freelancing and you can also make money. We have number two ways in which you can use to make money online in Nigeria. We have, as a student, we have blogging and also have YouTubing. These are being owned by Google, and if you are able to create content online, very soon I will walk you step by step on how you can create your blog and how you can start making money online through your blog. You own a website, you write article, you monetize it with AdSense, and you start cashing out. There are a lot of ways. Even selling your Facebook page can actually make you to have a lot of money. But there is a secret that has been hidden from the reach of students, and as such it is a secret that when you want to start making money online, you will just go. They say you should pay for 20,000 naira for your exam levy in school, and you just rush online how to make money online, thinking that when you make money, just get the opportunity, you are actually going to make that money. You are being lied to. And in my channel I'm going to eradicate and I'm going to indoctrinate and remove the idea that you make fast money online. My brother, my sister, there is no way you can make fast money online unless you have dedication, you have passion, you have the zeal, and you have the patience actually to put in, and you have also the money to invest in order for you to start making money online as a Nigerian student. If you actually want to know how to make money online, you can subscribe to my channel. I will keep dropping you ways in which you can use to make money online. But know that number one, you can make money through freelancing, YouTubing, and through blogging. And if you have watched this video to this very end, kindly click on the red subscribe button so that you can continue to get it update anytime I upload a video like this. And don't forget to share this video to your class group chat. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, to your parents, so that they can also follow me and also learn something about life and also about how to make money in Nigeria. And until I see you in my next video, I live in the light and love of the one creator. I really love you.